Very good evening, friends. I'm Narnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. So I've enabled my indicator so that it will display uh, weekly levels as well as monthly levels and the day of the week. Here purple color is Friday and yellow color is Monday, because I consider it as a weekly template, as the expiry is spanning between week on week. Every week there is an expiry. That's why I consider Friday is the closing range of the week, previous week, and Monday is the opening range of the current week. Tomorrow it will be opening range of the current week, and if I see the market is standing near the previous month's low. This is the previous month low. So if you go back and scroll it over here, there are multiple ranges over here. Let me change it to daily time frame. You can see very clearly price is standing near this level. Everybody knows it. Everybody, the whole world sees this level. But the play will be in between the levels. That happens in between the levels. And if you see this is a consolidation box over here. The market has gone up and down, and finally it went up. Here it was stalling in its momentum. It was indicating the market is going to come down, because here, if I mark this structure, see, the price was struggling to go over here and then it moved higher. It was the end of the rally over here on June 30th and July 1st. From there, market has continuously, slowly, week on week, breaking these are the weekly low levels, breaking the weekly low levels, and this is the final low. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks market has come down. Now it is near this very crucial support level, from where market rotated and finally went higher. And in my previous videos, I have continuously told that since there is multiple touches in this area, beneath this there will be stop losses will be there. Liquidity pool will be there, static liquidity will be there. So definitely, if market will seek this liquidity beneath, this is the VWAP, let me remove this. Liquidity beneath, and it may gather momentum if it sweeps this liquidity, or if it runs through this liquidity. If it does liquidity run, there will be more lower levels to come in the market. So this is very, very crucial level beneath 24,467, anywhere between 24,375. That is the level. See here, this level is the flip level. If I take this back, this is the flip level. Here, the market got resistance, and here, from here, market has moved higher. So, this is the level I'm going to watch keenly, 24,375 to 24,407. The VIX is indicating 11.98 based on the India VIX. The calculations are 24,723 and 24,441 in the market, lower levels. And weekly level to be 24,156. And weekly high to be 24,969. You know that the market started coming down on Thursday from that level. Strong rejection from that level, market started. You know the history and the Trump news, everything, tariff news, everything. But it was in a range. Actually, 2 weeks it consolidated in a range, and it was a breakdown of this range last week, last Friday, closing below this level, closing below the 24,597, which acted as the support, bouncing level. It broke down. Now, then your bias is towards the negative. Bias trade is negative, but at the same time, we are near the previous monthly low, and also level beneath this flip level, 24,375. And if I take this tool and measure this, that is only 167 to 180 points down move. Market can do anything. If they want to continue as a selling market, the immediate resistance is 24,647. If the market opening bell gaps up and tests this level and faces this rejection, then it is a selling opportunity for you people. The market may continue downwards. From here to here, the range will be around 200 points. It may appear as market can go down, or if it gaps down to this level, either it can do this. If it gaps down to this level beneath 24,461, and a strong reversal can give us a rally in the market towards the 24,647. So our level to watch is 24,647 on the upper side and 24,411 to 24,375 on the downside. So only market will decide the play. If it wants to go down, it may do like this. If it can go down, it can bounce up to this level. This is the 12 o'clock balancing line. Balancing level 24,647. And here, it's already taken this liquidity over here. In this candle, you can see the price has grabbed liquidity about the seller's money. So then it has continued down. Any up move is a selling opportunity for me. Any down move to the crucial level around this area, 24,411 to 24,375, I keenly watch this level. If there is any reversal during the day, during the first half, then we can look for buying opportunity for this boundary, 24. The play may be between this level, 24,647 to 24,411. So the market can do like this. And previous week, Monday was also a down day. Only on Tuesday it showed some sort of reversal. Tuesday and Wednesday showed a reversal, and Thursday it was a trap day. It was a range actually. So these are my levels to watch out for. And I have in my indicator, this indicator, actually what I've done is I see for the monthly levels, daily levels. It becomes easy for me to see the monthly levels and daily levels for me. So note down the levels. These are the VIX levels, 24,723 and 24,411, and the weekly low to be 24,156. Coming to the Bank Nifty also I have enabled this indicator to know the monthly levels. The monthly low is around 55,147. The market has come down here. It has not gone below the monthly low. So tomorrow, but bias is downwards. Immediate resistance is around 55,822. It's a sort of engulfing type of move. What has happened on the Thursday, trapping this liquidity. It has taken this liquidity, structural liquidity here. Grabbing this liquidity. Market has grabbed this liquidity over here and price has come down and it has halted over here. So tomorrow, the immediate level to watch out is 55,828. So immediate resistance you can note down 55,967 and support is around 55,268. And the monthly level is around 55,141, previous month low. So you note down these levels and the second support is around 54,962 to its high is around 56,542. This is the weekly high and this is the weekly low. If I scroll it back, there are multiple double bottom levels are there. Weekly levels are there. You can see over here around this area. And the support is around 55,200. This is the confluence level to note down. So tomorrow trade, we can anticipate for a down move in the market. And if you see, it is a range breakdown. So another way of measuring the down move is seeing this range and cloning it. I usually do that measured move of this. So you can see everything measured move is also getting confluenced with the 24,375. So we can anticipate for a continuation of the down move tomorrow and some sort of reversal. If it happens, that will be good. Otherwise, it may continue as one more down day, another one more down day on Monday itself. If it starts coming down and reversing, it may close within the range. So for the Friday's boundaries, you have to note down Friday's level. Friday high was around 24,785. This is the level 2. Should be on your mind. Usually I do not see open interest or anything. I just see the price action and I trade. And that's how I'll come to know the direction of the market by seeing the hourly balance line I've already made. And this is the indicator I've made it for myself with the pivot points and also hourly balance line has been coded here. If I change it to 30 minutes, hourly balance line, that is the 12 o'clock balance line, 1 o'clock balance line is around 24,647. That I consider it as a resistance because halfway through, after the afternoon session, market has broken down below this level. So this level will act as a resistance for me, and the last hour balance line is plotted as 24,551. So I'm keenly watching all those levels. So my trade is very simple, observing the price action as well as the balance of the hourly balance. So if the hourly balance is breaking below, then I look for a downward movement. So in the first hour, usually market try to balance and find the direction in the market. Market will show you direction. If you wait patiently, you will get a direction in the market. Otherwise, you can manually, if you do not have any indicator to code for it, you can manually hourly indicator you can do. And I've already given one indicator, that is TTM squeeze indicator. Here, this indicator, I've given it to many people. This indicator, if I apply this, yeah, it plots automatically. If I enable the hourly high and hourly low, let me go to the style. If I have disabled it, hourly high and hourly low, open, everything will be plotted in that. And in this indicator, even hourly range, if I ask it, automatically it plots the hourly range. I need not struggle for anything. Automatically, you can see here, it is plotting the highs and the lows, hourly lows. And this black line is pre-market open, and it has been coded for pre-market high and today's high. You know automatically you will get the previous day high, 24,784, and yesterday's low, it is showing 24,635. It is showing like that. And today's low, it is showing 24,535. Yesterday's low, it is showing, indicating. And here, pre-market line opened little bit higher and markets tried to. So this is my guideline for my trade. I use simple indicators which are relevant for my trading. In this indicator, I have got TWAP for my entry and exits, and it is variable moving average, that is adaptive moving average. So this will guide me with the price action, because when there is momentum, some boundaries, these are the boundaries for my guidelines. So let me take out this indicator. Okay, so hourly lines you can see over here. And if I enable there are a standard pivot point in this indicator. If I go there, standard pivot point, if I go to the daily time frame, exactly, even the pivot support is pointing towards the 24,375. These are the confluence levels which has marked on my chart, and you can see I'm anticipating. These are the simple guidelines for me. I take trade with these guidelines. I don't react to this. I respond to the levels. You also should learn to respond to the levels, not reacting to the levels. Then your trade will be successful. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.